What year is it? It's 2019. And what's that mean for people who are into things like movies and music? It means you have 1,000 options. You can stream songs, you can download songs, you can rip songs, you can steal songs. Don't advocate for that, but you can. But guess what? In 2019, people want these cassettes. Now, once you're done laughing, listen up. I don't know why, but I don't care. Well, here's what I do know. It makes me money. And I want to teach you how to make money too with cassettes. But look, you've got to get this webinar now, and you've got to put it into action now, because there will be an end to this cassette craze. I don't know when it's going to be, but it's been going on for a few years, and it keeps building. And how do I know it keeps building? Well, there's a couple things. In 2002, the last cassette was produced for release of albums. And then about 2005 or 6, used record stores got rid of their cassette section. Guess what's back? Over the last year and a half, 2 years, record stores have added a small cassette section, and then it got bigger and bigger and bigger, and they're selling tons of cassettes. And guess what? There's been new cassettes released. If you are not on top of music, you probably don't know this, but there are new cassette releases, limited editions coming out all the time, and they become instant collectibles and instant money makers for you. But we're not just talking about those. We're talking about all these used ones that you see at garage sales, flea markets, thrift stores. That's the other thing. Thrift stores used to have like this little section of cassettes and all these CDs. Well, over the last 8 months, the CD sections are getting smaller and the cassette sections are getting bigger. Doesn't mean you should ignore the CDs, because I've already taught you that webinar, flipping CDs. But now, in addition to that, you're gonna check out the cassettes, because this is flipping cassettes. Flipping cassettes is finding cassettes cheap and selling them for a lot more money. Now, things I'm gonna teach you: where to find them, because besides the norms, there's gonna be other places I'm gonna teach you about. How to sell them for the most money, what platforms to sell them on. But before you even get to selling them, research. How do you do research on cassettes? Because they're kind of antiquated. But don't worry, I'm gonna teach you all of that. And then of course, making the most money. Do I sell it by itself? Do I sell it in a group? If I sell in a group, how do I know how to build a group? How do I ship it? All those questions will be answered, and so much more on Flipping Cassettes. So head over to flippingcassettes.com, or I'm guessing wherever you see this video, just go down here, right here somewhere. Click the button. You'll get all signed up. It's going to be an amazing webinar. If you've taken any of my webinars in the past, you know what you're in for. A couple hours of just solid, actionable content. If you took the Flipping CDs webinar, you're going to know what you're in for. But don't think you should skip this webinar because you took the Flipping CDs webinar. Flipping cassettes is a whole different ballgame than flipping CDs. There are CDs that are worth 1 penny online, which of course you would never buy to flip because you can't make money with a penny. But those cassette versions are worth $20. It's crazy. It's crazy. The cassettes I'm going to show you are worth money when you'll be like, no one even cares about those on CDs. Again, why people want cassettes, I don't really know. They're probably not, they're the worst sound quality of all the ways you can listen to music, but people want them. People want the cassettes. So while they're hungry for it, and it's even teenagers are buying cassettes. It's crazy. So while they're hungry for it, let's sell them. Let's sell the heck out of them until the craze ends. But it's not ending soon. Look, the reason I'm doing this webinar, I've been thinking about it for a while, and the amount of cassettes I sell keeps increasing every week. In the last 2 days, I have shipped almost 40 cassettes, I think 37 cassettes from sales on multiple platforms. So, and my best one was $33 for 1 cassette. One! It's crazy. But I'm gonna teach you all that on Flipping Cassettes. Check it out, get registered now. It's gonna be an amazing webinar. It's gonna teach you everything you need to know how to make money. And the best part is, like CDs, cassettes are small. As a matter of fact, they're easy to ship. They're all the same size. And this one I paid $2 for. I have to ship today because I sold it for $20. $20 for a used cassette from 1986. It's 2019. That's crazy. Oop, upside down. That's crazy. All right, get signed up, and we'll see you at Flipping Cassettes webinar, and it's going to be awesome. So get ready.